Hi everyone, welcome to the series for Clean Eating 2026. So we are making chicken roast for dinner and you can eat them with a bunch of vegetables or rice, whatever you like. So I found some seasoning in my pantry. I added them to whatever you see in the front picture. Front one. That's a salt I added. Now sour cream. I add sour cream and everything because it just gives that juicy and tender texture. Added everything in the chicken and kept that in a refrigerator for about half an hour. You can just wrap that with cling, and after half an hour, I put that in tray and and put it in my oven for about 220 degrees for about 40 minutes. So this is it. After 40 minutes, you can eat it with rice, vegetables, some salad, whatever you like. It's a good thing dinner.